It is 1:04 a.m. I just woke up from this dream. It was in a department store, very close to a well or upscale type neighborhood where there were townhouses and cutesy apartments. And there was this notice that was sent out that the ground beneath them was unstable and it was going to give out. Some people ignored the warning. Others were panicked and running around. There was children on these big wheel type motorcycles driving around. And so there were people just completely ignoring it, others in a panic, and others who seemed to be mocking in the face of the danger and actually almost testing it out to see if this is real. The tension was very extreme. And I realized anytime I try to find a safe space, everyone is saying, don't go near the window. Stay away from the window. The ground is unstable. I'm not sure what this is concerning, whether it's an earthquake, whether people's are just unstable in their life. Being that I stay out in California, I know we are expecting a big earthquake sometime. Yet, I feel like this is more spiritual, saying to be prepared because God is shaking things up during this time. It is Pentecost, so be well.